Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech is Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to set the Spotify song as color tune. Before guiding you through the steps, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified over the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. If this video is what you are searching for, then simply you need to watch the video till the end to get all the information that you are searching. So you need to open the Spotify music application on your device and you need to choose any one of the music you want to set as color tune. Once you choose the song, then on top right corner you will see the three dotted line. Simply tap on three dotted line. Once you appear this box on the screen, here there is no any option to set as color tune because you need to have premium on your Spotify music application. Once you have premium, then you can easily download and set as color tune of the Spotify song on your device. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button and comment on the comment section if you have any queries.